In this video, I'm showing you a very powerful strategy that will allow you to trade the AUD employment change. You're going to be able to trade it on AUD, USD, as well as British AUD. The strategy is going to be simple to apply, and by the end of this video, you will have clarity on exactly on how to apply it. Now, just before we can jump onto the strategy, just a quick announcement to those who have been following us or for those who've been planning on joining us. We're having 50% off our advanced trading course. That includes our specialized strategies, and not just strategies or methods of trading such as technical or fundamental, but the nurturing, mentorship, where we can nurture you on developing an edge that's needed to succeed in the long run in the journey of trading. If that's you, you can click the link in the description of the video to take you straight to our website, or you can just chat to us right away. The special does end on the 30th of August, so make sure to take advantage right away. So let's jump onto the screen now. All right, family. So AUD employment change. I just want to jump into it. I don't want to waste your time, so you can get on and start practicing this news strategy on your own. And once you see it, you will know what I'm talking about. Don't take my word for it. Take what you see in terms of the results in your back testing. Okay, now the event that maybe some of you guys are not acquainted with is the employment change that affects the Aussie dollar over there, or the Australian dollar. Now it takes place in South African time at 3:30 a.m. You can go to Forex Factory, or you can visit Forex Factory, and it will display these times in your local time zone. Okay, we do have a free playlist about news trading, understanding news trading, if you're unfamiliar with the whole structure or type of this kind of trading. We're basically trading the volatile impact of such economic indicators such as your employment change. Now, this sort of measures the number of people employed during the previous month. So they're typically giving us data of the previous month, job creation, all of that. You can pause and just read. And of course, these are the figures here. We have the previous, we have the focused, and the actual that comes out once the impact has been released. We are trying to make sure that we get in alignment to predict what's going to be happening at the very impact and catching that impact. Okay, now as I've said, when it comes to the trading method, it's quite easy to understand, and if you look for this and once you see it, it's going to be very difficult for you to ignore such things. Let me just zoom in for you over here. Okay, now I need you guys to listen carefully. I'm gonna repeat it again, and then of course you're gonna have to go ahead and back test this. You don't just watch a YouTube video, go ahead to a live account. That is very irresponsible. I would advise back testing thoroughly on a demo until you see it yourself, you're sure, then you can go ahead. Okay, now the strategy typically it involves you looking at on the M15, whether it's AUD USD or GBP AUD. Okay, at midnight, you don't have to be awake, rather a few minutes before you can trade this event. At midnight, the trend that starts off at midnight, that's the trend that the event is gonna follow at 3:30. We can also see it over here on British AUD over there. It's that the trend that started at midnight, the news is gonna follow it. Okay, so it's typically what we call a trend following event. Okay, you can use other confluences, just technical analysis using previous trends, but to not complicate it at all, just take it from 12 midnight all the way to at least 3:25. I'd like to look at that trend from that time, and then of course you can trade in line with the trend. You don't have to put anything extra. This is how it plays out. Of course, it's not the 100% accuracy, but it's gonna let you achieve the right consistency that you need to trade such a news impact, particularly on the employment change. Every news sort of behaves differently, so I have different types of videos you can watch for each and every news event. Understood? Now let me repeat it again. Number one, this is a trend following impact. Number two, midnight to 30 minutes before the move, you can take that whole trend, and that's the trend that's gonna follow. Now, the advantage about this, or rather average moves that you can look out for in terms of pips, is that on AUD USD it tends to move a little bit less, so you get a little bit less money for your time and effort, about an average of 20 pips, 15 pips per move within a split second. As you know, the impact when it appears, that's what it would typically range on. And then on GDP AUD now, it ranges between 50 pips to 40 pips on an average. And of course, this makes it a very inconsistent impact, because at some impacts, like on AUD USD, it's like barely 5 pips or 10 pips. So if you wake up around that time, it may not be worth it. Okay? But I typically like to go for the AUD, I mean the GA right here, or the British AUD, because it moves a little bit much more. Okay, I just hope you understand the channel. Now, in terms of guidelines here that we need to adhere to, is that I would advise you, as I said at the beginning of the video, to thoroughly backtest the strategy. Don't take my word for it, test the strategy yourself and confirm its consistency. Number two, start on a demo, build consistency and proof before risking real money. Number three, don't over risk on news. Trading news is not sort of a ticket to triple your accounts, guys. It's just mere scalping. It's any other style of trading that just involves short intervals of trading, and you ought to approach it with risk management. Okay. Number two, do not skip, or again, number four here, do not skip the practice stage, guys. Jumping into live testing without really back testing is going to lead to a lot of mistakes and can be a very costly mistake. Okay, and that's one of the things that we actually get to teach in our mentorship, is that when you get a trading method, there's a process and a procedure of learning that ensures that when you're on the live markets, there's something in you that will attest to the fact that you understand. Your emotions are not all over. Your risk management is not all over. You have direction, you have intention, you have clarity. So if that's you, you're more than welcome. Now, just to end the video here, I want to recommend a broker that I usually trade news with. That's Vantage Markets. Now, it's been around for a while. I've traded them for 4 years right now. They've been around for more than 15 years. They have no off codes or freezing markets during high impact news, seamless withdrawals every time, and of course they are fully regulated in South Africa. So to get the best out of this, go ahead and you can trade it right there by opening an account with the link in the description of the video, or a pinned comment that I'll put in this video. Thank you so much, family, for watching. More educational videos like this are coming your way, and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're a first-time viewer, or recommend this channel to your friend. God bless you.